What's up? We're back. We're gonna see if the little squirrel is still here. Hello, little squirrel. Oh, hi, little buddy. He is in there. Hi. Well, he's not biting me. He's spinning over and letting me pet his belly. Aw. Rainbow, I don't bite you. I like you. You a squirrel friend. You a friend of the squirrel. You a friend of the squirrel. Hi. Yeah. Alright, well, he must not bite. I threw a couple socks in there for him. Thanks, you Rainbow. Thanks, you Rainbow. You're good to a squirrel. A friend of the squirrel. I'm not gonna bite you. I'm gonna be your friend. Alright. That's the tail of the squirrel. I'm still living in here, Rainbow. Thanks for the house. It's hard to find houses out there, especially cheap ones like this. They already got food and furnishings. Oh, yeah. Oh, I like growling too, Rainbow. I growl. You make me afraid. I'll tax you. I'll tax you, Rainbow. You're not afraid of me, are you? You're not afraid of a squirrel. Yeah. It's my house now, Rainbow. I growls and protects it. I protects it. It's my house now. Don't make a good squirrel go bad, Rainbow. I'm trying to sleep. I'm trying to sleep, Rainbow. Don't make a good squirrel go bad. Alright. Let's leave this little guy alone. Have a wonderful night, little buddy. Thanks, you Rainbow. Thanks for the water and the food. Leave the air conditioning on. Alright. Big Daddy out.